Hi, my name is Rusia and I'm a vocal image maker. Today we'll discuss how to deal with the nasal speech. For sure, among your friends there are some who talk with a nasal accent. What is the reason of the phenomenon by the rules of psychology and psychosomatics you can learn at my private classes or special courses. But how to overcome the consequences of nasal speech I can tell you right now. So, nasal voice. How to deal with it? Try to close the nostrils of your nose with 2 fingers. Do it carefully, not like you are going to stop breathing, but gently a bit. Speak directly through the nose, right here.
2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now try to pronounce the same words through the front teeth.
2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can hear, in the second case, only sonant sounds are heard through the nose, right? If you pronounce 2, 3, 4, 5 clearly, without nasal accent with your nose closed, it means that you direct the airflow and the sound correctly.
2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Лайфхак.
If you have some difficulties with directing the sound here to front teeth, try the next exercise. Easily, gently. The sound comes here. In 2 minutes you can improve the skill of sending sound vibrations towards the front teeth. If you speak Russian or other Slavic languages, try to pronounce the words pechka, chashka very pretentiously. Pechka, chashka. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Печка, чашка, раз, два, три.
You see, sound goes through the front teeth again and doesn't flow to the nose. Nail down a success.
2, 3, 4, 5. Печка, чашка. 2, 3, 4, 5. Печка, чашка.
2, 3, 4, 5. Pechka, chashka. And so on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Every fish would like to dive. In general, that's it for today. If you don't want to snuffle like a grizzly, do this exercise and let the power of voice design be with you.